So hello everyone. Today we are going to be seeing that how do we actually download our IELTS result once we have got that. So you guys firstly be getting the notification over your email ID, the registered email ID of yours, which you put that in the IELTS registration form while booking the test. So yes, you'll be getting notified over there once you got your result. So yes, over here you just have to click through that mail ID also. You will get the link of official website. So through that also you can come over here, or you can type it by yourself IDP results, and you will be getting over here on this page. Yes. So just have to put your details under it. Okay, let's just do it. So your official name and surname and everything you have to put under it. Let's do that. So I'm putting the details of one of my students who recently got his result. Yes, let's now put the DOB. After that, your passport number. Make sure it should be correct. It should be all correct. So your name, first name, last name, your DOB, passport number, and then click I'm not a robot, and then get results. And here you are. Here you'll be seeing that it's the provisional result which has come and which has arrived. Now you can download it from here by clicking on this available thing. Just have to click. And yes, this is not the official report. The official report is this TRF called test report form. This you'll be getting directly mailed to you, couriered to you by IDP officially to your registered address, which you put while registering for this exam. And yes, you just can click here, and yes, here we are. We've got the result. Thoroughly, that in speaking he got 7, in listening 8, reading 8.5, and writing 6.5. Here you are, overall 7.5, which comes under a good user. And here's how you can easily download your IELTS result. But yes, the hard copy will be sent to you by IDP itself to your registered address, which you put while registering for this exam. So guys, we need to also understand that what do we exactly mean by these scores and how are we getting this overall band, which is 7.5. Let's understand that. So we actually work, or IDP works upon average of all your 4 sections. Okay, let's suppose in speaking you got 7, in listening 8, in reading 8.5, in writing 6.5. So you then have to add all these numbers, all these scores, and then divide it with 4. So it comes out to be an average, which is your overall band. Okay, you need to understand that. Now we work upon overall band. Since we work upon overall band, you don't need to get scared in any of the sections. Let's suppose you're not scoring well or you're not able to score well. It's okay. You can manage that with scoring exceptionally well in all your other sections, or maybe 2 of your sections. Because we work upon average. We are going to get this average, but make sure that you are getting at least the minimum required bands in all the 4 sections. That is required. Okay, it is 6.5, which must be there in all the 4 sections. And yes, above that, it's okay. You can manage it with exceptionally doing well in all the other sections. Like in listening, you can get 9, in reading 8.5, like that. So you can manage that score of yours. Like he has got 6.5 here in writing, but then overall he has performed pretty well. That's how we get the overall band. So yes guys, that's all about today's video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much.